decides to get back on board. How does it feel, Lily?
It feels great.
To finally be back on your bike.
Last time I was riding a bike, I got hit by a car. I'm kind of nervous.
You gotta have a flat tire.
Oh shit. Dylan says he feels like he's being tickled.
I'm talking about stupid stuff.
I don't want to listen about tater tots.
Claire lost 50% of her taste buds when she was 3, licking a stove.
But Dylan did a really cool 360.
Yeah. I love how they can intercom on the speakers. Dylan, do you have a story? We're sending this to the Cancer Foundation, so.
You know, when I first found out that Dylan had cancer, I didn't want to be his friend, but now that, you know, we've learned to live with it, it's gotten a lot easier on us. Can you say that?
Was it just the fact you're gonna get
I gotta be honest, Dylan, I hated you when I first met you.
Our three children now.
Yeah.
Zero.
You just seem so obsessed
Our
with
three
yourself.
children are healthy and strong, and one of them's retarded because he inherited his father's genes, but none of them have cancer. And we're now a happy living family thanks to the Cancer Foundation. Thank you.